Africa. The very name evokes images of vast savannas, majestic wildlife, and breathtaking sunsets. For many, the ultimate dream is to experience an African safari. And when it comes to safari destinations, few can rival the legendary Kruger National Park in South Africa. Kruger is a place where time seems to stand still. It's a place where you can truly connect with nature and witness the raw beauty of the African wilderness. Since its establishment in 1926, Kruger has become a beacon for conservation and a shining example of how humans and wildlife can coexist. Whether you're a seasoned safari enthusiast or a first-timer looking for an unforgettable adventure, Kruger National Park offers something truly special. It's a place where memories are made and where the spirit of Africa comes alive. So pack your bags, grab your binoculars, and get ready to embark on the safari of a lifetime. Kruger National Park is renowned for its incredible biodiversity. It is home to an astounding array of wildlife, including the iconic Big Five lion, leopard, elephant, rhino, and Cape buffalo. These magnificent creatures roam freely within the park's boundaries, offering visitors a chance to witness their power and grace in their natural habitat. But Kruger's wildlife diversity extends far beyond the Big Five. The park boasts over 140 mammal species, including cheetah, giraffe, zebra, hippopotamus, wild dog, and numerous antelope species. Birdwatchers will be in paradise, with over 500 recorded bird species, including the majestic martial eagle and the colorful lilac-breasted roller. From the smallest insects to the largest land mammals, Kruger is a testament to the incredible richness of the African ecosystem. Every game drive, every bushwalk, is an opportunity to encounter something new and awe-inspiring. One of the best things about Kruger National Park is the variety of ways to experience its wonders. Guided game drives, offered by most lodges and camps, provide an excellent opportunity to explore the park with experienced rangers who can share their knowledge of the area and its inhabitants. These drives typically take place in open 4x4 vehicles, allowing for optimal wildlife viewing. For those who prefer to set their own pace, self-drive safaris are a fantastic option. Kruger has a well-maintained network of roads, making it easy to navigate and explore at your own leisure. Pack a picnic basket and spend the day traversing the park, stopping at scenic viewpoints and water holes where animals congregate. For a more immersive experience, consider a guided walking safari. Led by armed and knowledgeable rangers, these walks allow you to get up close and personal with nature, tracking animals on foot and learning about the smaller details of the ecosystem that are often missed from a vehicle. Kruger National Park's diverse landscape is as captivating as its wildlife. The park encompasses a variety of ecosystems, each with its own unique flora and fauna. Vast savannas dotted with acacia trees and watering holes stretch as far as the eye can see, providing a quintessential African backdrop. Dense woodlands offer shade from the midday sun and harbor a different array of creatures, while the park's rivers and wetlands teem with life, attracting hippos, crocodiles, and a plethora of bird life. The Lobombo Mountains, forming the eastern boundary of the park, create a dramatic backdrop and offer stunning panoramic views. This tapestry of ecosystems creates a dynamic and ever-changing environment, ensuring that no two visits to Kruger are ever the same. Whether you're exploring the open savannas, venturing into the woodlands, or cruising along the rivers, there's always something new to discover. Guardians of the Wild. Kruger National Park is not only a premier safari destination but also a leading force in conservation. The park is managed by South African National Parks, or SANParks, which is committed to protecting and preserving this natural treasure for generations to come. Kruger has been at the forefront of anti-poaching initiatives, employing advanced technology and dedicated rangers to combat wildlife crime. The park also plays a vital role in research and conservation programs, studying and protecting endangered species and their habitats. Tourism plays a crucial role in supporting these conservation efforts. The revenue generated from park fees and tourism activities is reinvested back into the park, funding anti-poaching patrols, research projects, and community development programs. By choosing to visit Kruger, you are directly contributing to the preservation of this incredible wilderness. Accommodation for every adventurer. Kruger National Park offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. For those seeking luxury and indulgence, there are private game lodges and bush camps that offer unparalleled comfort and exclusivity. These lodges typically feature spacious suites, private plunge pools, and gourmet dining experiences. For a more affordable option, Sandparks operates a number of rest camps within the park, ranging from basic campsites to comfortable bungalows. These camps offer a more budget-friendly way to experience Kruger, with communal kitchens, ablution blocks, and often swimming pools and shops. No matter where you choose to stay, you're guaranteed an unforgettable experience in the heart of the African bush. Imagine waking up to the sounds of birdsong, enjoying a morning coffee overlooking the savannah, or falling asleep to the distant roar of a lion. Kruger for everyone. One of the most remarkable things about Kruger National Park is its ability to cater to a wide range of travelers. Whether you're an experienced safari-goer or a first-timer, a solo adventurer or a family with children, Kruger has something to offer everyone. For those short on time, even a day trip to Kruger can be an unforgettable experience. However, to truly immerse yourself in the park's magic, it's recommended to spend at least a few days exploring its diverse landscapes and searching for its elusive inhabitants. Kruger is a year-round destination, each season offering a unique perspective on the African bush. The dry winter months from May to October offer the best wildlife viewing opportunities, as animals congregate around water sources. The summer months from November to April bring lush vegetation and the chance to witness newborn animals. An unforgettable African adventure. Kruger National Park is more than just a safari destination. It's a journey into the heart of Africa, a chance to reconnect with nature, and an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. It's a place where you can witness the raw beauty of the wild, encounter incredible wildlife, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So, whether you're dreaming of encountering the Big Five, exploring vast savannas, or simply escaping the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Kruger National Park is calling. Pack your bags, embark on an adventure, and discover the magic of Africa's greatest wildlife sanctuary.